Christmas ni kok ngang bui to klai na Christ Mass maksaba Christ Mass Kristo no songoi chalai na panda tambu ke kai to ne hawo Roman chapter 14 verse 17 ka ho
kai tu ni hang abo ka ni ko biya kai ni ko biya
adi pustol nising regulation jera boro jaga wo kai to ni boro ro jormo din palon khlai boro jaga jutcha jaglai phema to haide bible of christmas hi to no
me bible to sija gurei christmas palai di hai phano sung tong thongmani bagai jisu asai la hi sung christmas palai hi ang sakang lom hai ke tong ma phaimani
nge bosba banokha 336 AD Emperor Constantine at the same time Pope Julius I borok o Kristo no songoi salai mung pandak laila ha saklai la tai ni sike Kristo no songoi salai mung pandak khainai hna bujila saba saklai kha Pope te Rome ni raja bai Pope saklai la ha bono no o puja asta khlailai thaila
saiman kha christmas palai mani ingkha abo sini sakni saplei no palai mani hai
Herod raja simi se boni to sajete asaima panda khlaiye asaima salpalaiye baptist boronai john o diari ni bokorong no tangui apro puja khaiye bujila hande kai to no sini yarok si aboni panda প্রত্যেকটা বাইবেল ইয়াফাং ইসনি বুসুক জেরানাই নে বেদে আরো জন্মদিন পালন খাই নাই আবো সাধু কাই তো no sini yarok sinisi
ke obona ang busi rozang mani bagai ang christmas palai liya tuma hinke ang sajak liya bono ani sak ni samploi na palai mani haisi hinke kai to le saya christmas no ro samung numung khe ta khlai yani
nge bosba banokha
kai to ni kok bai tong thong bai khak sang bai khe kai to no lob la yani si
kai to ne hawo ke omo hai kai to no songui salai na bunai salai na buya nung na buya
room 17 14 no ok kok sujak to mo
hai ni bage andor no saga Colossae chapter 2 verse 16 no direct si sadak to mo naro samung nung no tu yei ke bai haya ta hoga chiri sal katal sal kathar sabat sal pala yei koi bai saya te ta hoga lai sidi
जों salai nung lai tong thoga ni ya kai tor no tu yei khak sang ma bai tong thong bai khe kai tor mong no lob sawei sung ne sal brum ma hai ke tong thogei sung tong nan ba si sajak Philippi 4 ni 4 ro hai ni sajak
kana hande inge nangle Bible ni kogno de nana poop di kogno okay nan Catholic laine le poop ni kog phana kha kes Catholic ya le tang mi bono tuila sa tong thong la Catholic no basada ye pu borok klaimano basada puinle onglang ba
So I just want to tell you guys that there is no written information or anything like that on Bible. So the birth of Jesus, that is 25th of December, is actually declared by Roman Emperor and Catholic Pope.
Bible ni kogno de nana poop di kogno
Actually, we celebrate the presence of Jesus every day.
Yes.
Because it is clearly written in Bible that in the book of Philippians chapter 4 verse 4, they rejoice in the Lord always. And again I said rejoice.
kana hande Christos in noro bai tham chang paila bono si जो चावक लाई सीधी के साल कोटो साल कथा खलाई दी हिकरी कबले डायरेक्ट सी बाइबल साइटोंगा
We celebrate the presence of Jesus in our everyday life every day. We don't celebrate it only once a year on 25th December, but we enjoy His presence in our daily life every day.
Thank you.